Good morning, all of you. Okay, welcome to next topic, Harvest Festival. It's a Harvest Festival. And then in this lesson, we are going to learn about the different festivals depending on the harvest season. Before that time, we know that in our India, we are using the different languages, variety of languages. Means that even just we had to go to the north, Kashmir, and the Kashmiri language they are using, Punjabi language, Haryana language. In Madhya Pradesh, whenever we are coming to the Madhya Pradesh, we are using the Hindi language. As well as the West Bengal, they are using the Bengali language. And the Gujarati language, Rajasthani language. And then just we had to go to the southern part of our India, Kerala, they are using the Malayalam, Tamil Nadu, Tamil, Karnataka, Kannada, and then Maharashtra, whenever we are coming to Maharashtra, they are using the Marathi language, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh members are using Urdu as well as that Telugu language also. Like that different peoples are using the different language in our India. And then again we know that the dress style also entirely different. In that, whenever we are going to the southern India, they are using that dhoti and the shirt like that different dresses. And then even if we are coming to that in middle India, means in Madhya Pradesh like that states, we can't see. And then those are going to that with dhoti and the shirt. There is entirely different clothes we are using. Western dress are there and the southern dress are there, like that variety of dress also there. Same like their culture also different. This is their culture also different. Their lifestyle is entirely different. And like that more varieties are there in our India. But we are telling we are Indians. Okay. And then but here we know that according to that harvest season, we are celebrating as Indians, we are celebrating different types of festival also. Not only the depending on the harvest, depending on the moons and then depending on the climate, we are celebrating different types of festivals. Okay, and but in this part we are going to discuss about the festivals based on the harvest season. Before that time, you need to understand what is a harvest. Whenever they are cultivating the crops, even the farmers are cultivating their crops, and there is a very small plant first coming, afterwards that one is growing, and then they are giving that cereals and then pulses everything. Whenever that cereals and pulses are everything are coming in that maturing stage, growing stage, completely growing, afterwards that one is that should not grow. That stage coming time, what the farmers are doing, they are cutting that crops. Okay, and then even nowadays the farmers are not cutting, and then the harvest machines are using and then cutting. Even if the farmers directly culture by using the sickle or sky, or which one is the farmers are using the harvest machine. Anyway, we know that there is a harvest season, and depending on the harvest season, the peoples are celebrating different types of festivals. The important festivals in India, Makar Sankranti, Baisakhi, and these are the important festivals depending on the harvest seasons. Let's we have to go to our textbook, page number 45. You see the textbook. And then in this picture, you have to see the picture. Okay, what does this say? Here the wheat are coming in the growing stage, not a completely grow stage. In this golden color coming time, what the farmers doing? The farmers are cutting these all once, and then after they are removing these crops from the plants, and then they keep in the sunlight, and then all process after we had to get the rice, wheat, all complete crops. Okay, and then we had to discuss about the festivals, different festivals based on this harvest season. And India is a land of festivals. Harvest festival in India celebrate the bounties of nature and communicate the spirit of brotherhood. These festivals are especially celebrated by farmers at the time of harvest. Even India is a land of festivals. We know our India is a land of festivals. We are celebrating different festivals. Okay, Guru Purnima based on that and then you have Dasara time and then Diwali, like the different festivals are there. Uncountable festivals are there in India. So we have to say India is a land of festivals. And Harvest Festival in India celebrate the bounties of nature and communicate with the spirit of brotherhood. Actually, the Harvest Festival we are celebrating, as an Indian we are celebrating to showing our relationship, brotherhood relationship showing purpose. We are celebrating what is the Harvest Festival. Not only that one, we are communicate about the nature. We are always attached with our nature, our relation, we are, our nature, even means how we are attached with the nature. That relation is showing that Harvest Festivals. Okay, and these festivals are especially celebrated by farmers. Who is celebrating? Especially this one is celebrated by the farmers. Okay, first one is that Makar Sankranti. When you are celebrating the Makar Sankranti, we know that for each and every year, 14th January, we are celebrating the Makar Sankranti. In which date we are celebrating? 14th January, we are celebrating the Makar Sankranti. In some places, the name of the Makar Sankranti is different. Even if we are going to that Punjab, the name is changed. Lori Maghi. Like that name in which one is knowing, Makar Sankranti is known. And next Kite Festival. Rajasthan and Gujarat is known as the Kite Festival. Okay, this is also same as the Makar Sankranti. And then, but we have to go to the South India, especially Tamil Nadu, and then I see that Pongal. They are celebrating Tamil Nadu, Kerala, or states. They are celebrating Pongal. In different states, the Makar Sankranti name is different, and then in Punjab you have seen that Lori and Maghi, and the name of the Makar Sankranti in Rajasthan Kite Festival. Why the kite we are telling the Kite Festival? The small kids as well as the old people, all ones are playing with the kites. And then you all ones are like to play with the kites. Am I correct? Yes, all ones are even in the winter season. Means at the end of the December and the starting of that January, you all ones are engaged with to play with the kites. So it is known as Rajasthan, especially the Gujarat is also known as it is a kite festival. But in the South India, that is known as the Pongal. Okay, we have to go to the textbook. Makar Sankranti is one of the few Indian festivals that is celebrated on a fixed date. There is no change in the date. It is celebrated as a 14th January. Okay, and then it is celebrated on 14th January every year. It is a major harvest festival celebrated in various parts of India. It is celebrated as a Lori and Maghi in Punjab, and kite festivals in Rajasthan and Gujarat. In South India, it is celebrated as a Pongal. Okay, in Tamil Nadu, people prepared a special dish called Pongal using the newly harvested rice, crop, and jaggery. How the South Indian, especially the Tamil Nadu people, celebrate the Makar Sankranti. And then whenever they are cultivating the rice, they have to get, we know that the staple food of the South Indians are the rice. Almost all times they are habituated to eat with the rice. And whenever they are getting the rice, newly harvested crops rice, they are boiled and then they are adding also jaggery, and then they are boiled. That festival is known as the Pongal. Okay? That festival is known as the Pongal. And then in that purpose they are using the new pot also. And then here in Tamil Nadu, people prepare a special dish called Pongal. But they are making a special dish that is known as the Pongal. How they have to make that special dish Pongal? They are using the newly harvested crops rice as well as the jaggery, and then they are mixed and then boiled that one. That like they are making the Pongal. And homes are decorated with banana leaves and mango leaves. You know that banana leaves, very big leaves are there. And they are making the different models something also, as well as the mango leaves also used, and then they are decorating their homes. And then women draw colorful patterns called rangoli on the floor using rice flour. They are using the rice flour floor and then making the rangoli. We are also making the rangoli in different festival time. Okay, and but we are not using rice flour, we are using that rangoli powder. Okay, and then they are making that flower designs on the floor by using the rice powder. Okay, very beautiful. They are decorating that one. And the next festival is Baisakhi. Okay, and then it is a popular harvest festival of Punjab and other North Indian states. It is celebrated in April and marks the beginning of a new year. People wear new clothes and perform Gidda and Bhangra with enthusiasm. What's the first feature of the Baisakhi? Especially the North Indian people are celebrating Baisakhi. Means in North India, we know that Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Punjab, like that states is known as the North India. Okay? And the Northern Indian peoples are celebrating Baisakhi. Especially the Punjab and North Indians. Okay? And then in April month, always they are celebrating Baisakhi in April month. They are considered this April month is a new year. They are considering April month as a new year. They are celebrating the Baisakhi festival in April month. Even they are wearing that colorful dress also. With new dress they are wearing on the Baisakhi festival time. Again they are perform the different dance also. That is known as Gidda and then Bhangra. Okay, this is known as the Baisakhi. Next one is an Onam. And then you also know it is also famous for you. Okay. And the next one is that this is an Onam. What's the feature? The kids are making that Pookalam. This is a Pookalam. Okay, they are collecting that different types of flowers and different color flowers, and then they are making beautiful Pookalam. Okay, and then let's we have to go. Onam marks time for sports festivities, and then celebration in Kerala. The famous snake boat race, dance programs, and lots of good food are part of the festivals. Onam is usually celebrated in August or September. People decorate their home with a floral rangoli called Pookalam. The festival marks the homecoming of a benevolent ancient ruler called Mahabali, who is believed to visit his subjects, the people of Kerala during Onam. What's the feature of the Onam? Especially the Kerala people are celebrating the festival Onam. This is also harvest festival. This is a harvest festival. Who is celebrating? The people of the Kerala celebrate the harvest festival. And then what is the feature? They are all ones that wear that beautiful, colorful new dresses in that Onam day. And not only that, but they are making the different delicious food also. And then means that sadhya. And then they are using that pies, different types of gear, and then different types of sweets. So everything they are making that festival time. Okay, all family members are each together gathering one place also, and all ones are eating their food, and then they are doing the different dance also in that Onam festival time. And then next day, they are early morning, all ones are get up and then they are making that, they are collecting that different types of flowers and making Pookalam also. This is a very big rangoli type. They are making that Pookalam also. It's a very interesting festivals. And then again another one is that after the lunch, and then all ones are gathering in that river side or lake side, and then they are conducting the snake boat race. Okay, lot of people are sitting on the boat and then they are race, and those are the win and they have to get the prize. That's a very interesting one. It's a very important feature of the snake boat race also they are conducting. It is celebrated in that day. It is conducted in that day. But in Kerala, especially in the Onam festival time, these are the important harvest, not other festival. This is a important harvest festivals in India. More other festivals are there, and then now we are learning that the harvest festivals in India. That is Makara Sankranti, second one Baisakhi, and then third one is Onam.